Let's use some EFT tapping today to help you connect to the feeling of I am worthy. You might notice when you try to do these things as affirmations, like I am worthy, I am lovable, etc., that your mind will come up with, different reasons why that might not be true. You might have different reactions in your body. That's precisely where the tapping comes in, and we'll use a little exploration in this process to hopefully help this land and resonate for you. So let's go to the side of the hand, repeating after me. Even though it might not always feel like it, I'm going to allow myself to open up to the possibility that maybe I am worthy. Even though there might be a lot of evidence in my life that I point to and say, well, here's all the reasons I must not be worthy. I choose to have compassion for myself and to explore the possibility that there may be another way of looking at this. Even though part of me might believe that on a theoretical or spiritual level, that I am worthy or everyone is worthy. But maybe it doesn't always feel true to me. I choose to honor and accept myself and my process, and allow myself to connect to a different way of perceiving this. Okay, through the points now. I am worthy. And I'm noticing what it feels like when I say those words. I am worthy. How does my body feel? What thoughts arise? And the next time I say it, I just want to see if there's any small little sliver of light, any little bit that might feel that that's true. I am worthy. Just allowing myself to look. And if I have any little glimpse, of any part of me that believes that, I'm going to lock my sight on that for just a moment. And breathe into that feeling a little bit. And if I don't believe it at all, that's still okay. I am worthy. And now I'm noticing any other reactions. Any beliefs that say, if you were worthy, this would be different. If you were worthy, a lot of circumstances would be different. And I'm not going to fight that thought. But I allow myself to question it. Does a life situation mean someone is not worthy? If I see someone in the world going through really tough times, or they just happen to be born into poverty or a really terrible situation. Do I judge them as being unworthy? Or is that just their circumstance? Does it mean it can never change? And if I think of a newborn child, would I look at that child and say, well, let's see how things turn out. Let's see how smart or talented they are. Let's see how much money they have or what their parents are like. Then we can say whether or not they're worthy. Or would I see them as inherently worthy? Full of possibility. And even if faced with challenging situations, that does not define their worth. I choose to extend myself that same grace and courtesy. I am worthy. I was born worthy. Maybe I objectively do have some skills or knowledge to learn in some areas of my life. Maybe I am facing some challenges. I acknowledge those and allow myself to separate that from my worth as a human. I am worthy. Allowing myself to find even more of that light, even more of that belief that this could be true. I am worthy. Breathing it in. I am worthy. Okay, let's just take one more breath, just allowing whatever's happening. All right. Hope that's helpful to you. Let me know in the comments what your experiences are. If there's any particular direction you want to go further with that, just let me know. I'm always curious. All right. Look forward to seeing you on the next round. Take care.